sire. Yes, sire. Greetings in the name of the Most High Jah, His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First Jah.
Yes, I Jah. Rastafari. Yes, blessed be the good reggae music.
Yeah, man.
Tempo ni ya Rasta, mapuzi ni ya Tuesday.
True,
Si mapuzi ya Tuesday,
well,
my bad.
Girl them.
It's a super girl dem Wednesday.
Yeah, man.
Kama makwela wa kawaida, Wednesday ni siku yenyu.
Siku ni yenu.
Na kama good kaya upon fire.
We there.
Naturally.
We don't fake, we don't force, we don't fight.
Yes, all we do is unify the youth.
And then
educate the nation.
ndio sisi yao.
Na hizo zimekuwa kadhaa za kuingia kwenye tempo ya Warasta leo Girldom Wednesday.
Kadhaa tu za rebesho.